Okay, in my Windows 10 computer, I first open the settings by clicking here. The settings page have been added. This is the Windows settings, and from here you can see system devices, etc. And from here I choose the ease of access. This one I am going to click the ease of access. So we know that in our mouse we are clicking this is the left side and right side, and click the left side here now to open the ease of access. And from the ease of access we can see the interaction in the bottom, and in the interaction section you can see here it is written mouse. I click the mouse from here, and in this mouse, if you click the mouse, then you can see here change other mouse option at the bottom. This one you must click this one, the change other mouse option. And here you can see that mouse it is written select your primary button. So in our mouse you can see that this left click, this is the primary button, and this right click is the secondary button. And I'm going to change this to this and this to here. For doing this, you can see that the select your primary button from left to right. Okay, change from the left to right. Now you can see that this one become the primary, that we can move using this one. You can click also using this one. So you can for changing you must press this button now, and this one become the other side. So if you click this one and try to change, nothing result. But if you click this one and try to change, then you can see that the cursor is moving now. So if you want to change the mouse position from this primary button from this left side to right side, the simple method is this. You must simply change from the left to right. So now in our home screen the cursor is moving here, and I click the left side. So this look like this, and if I click the right button, then you can see that this is the right position. Hope this video helps you. For more video updates like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.